Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel where we learn about science in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to talk about interaction of Sun, Earth and Moon. Let us begin.
Hi guys, today we're going to build a model of the Sun, Earth and Moon. Let's look at these instructions we have. We need a DC motor, and we have many more instructions to follow to build this model. Let's start assembling the model now. And now you can see that the model is ready. This was a pretty hard project. It took some time to build it. Here we have the Sun, Earth, and Moon in the model. This model will show how the Earth and Moon revolve around the Sun. Here's the motor. We need to connect this battery to the DC motor so it can move. When Earth is going around the Sun, we call it orbiting or revolving. One full revolving around the Sun is called 1 year or 365 days. When the Earth is revolving around the Sun, every 3 months we have different seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. But every country has different seasons at different times. For example, when the United States is having winter, Australia is currently having summer. And while Earth is revolving, it also rotates. It rotates on its axis. One full rotation on its axis is 24 hours, or 1 day. We have day and night. Let's say when the Western Hemisphere is having night, the Eastern Hemisphere will have day. Like when the United States is having night, India will have day. And while doing this, the Moon is also revolving. But instead of it revolving around the Sun, it's revolving around the Earth.
Thank you kids. Now let's learn about interaction of Sun, Earth and Moon. The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system and the source of life and energy for Earth. It is a huge ball of plasma, mostly made of hydrogen and helium, that undergoes nuclear fusion in its core. The Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from Earth, and it takes light about 8 minutes to reach us. The Sun is also very massive, containing 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. The Sun is about 4.5 billion years old, and it will continue to shine for another 5 billion years, until it runs out of fuel and becomes a red giant. The Sun is an amazing and fascinating star, most important life source for all living things. 8 planets orbit the Sun. Okay, now let us learn about our planet, Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and the only place we know of so far that supports life. It has a unique combination of size, distance, rotation, tilt, and magnetic field that make it suitable for liquid water and a stable climate. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon, which helps stabilize its axis and causes tides. Earth is about 4.5 billion years old, and it orbits the Sun. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, and Earth is a beautiful and diverse planet, with many different regions. Okay, now let us learn about our closest neighbor, Moon. The Moon is our closest neighbor in space, and a constant companion in our night sky. The Moon is our closest neighbor in space, and a wonderful sight to see at night. The Moon is a big ball of rock that goes around the Earth. The Earth has only one natural satellite called Moon. It is the only other place in space that people have visited. The Moon does not make its own light, it just reflects the light from the Sun. Okay, now let us explore what causes the day and night in 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. The Moon orbits the Earth once per month, and the Earth orbits the Sun once per year. This happens because all bodies with mass in the universe attract each other. The Earth's pull on the Moon keeps the Moon in orbit, and the Sun's pull on the Earth keeps the Earth in orbit. The motions of Earth relative to the Sun, and the motions of the Moon and Sun relative to Earth affect different phenomena on Earth, including day and night, the seasons, tides, and phases of the Moon. The imaginary line that runs from the North to the South Pole is called an axis. Earth continually spins around its axis, taking 24 hours, one day, to make a full rotation. During this time, one side of Earth is exposed to the Sun, while the other side faces away from the Sun. This forms day and night. Earth's axis is slightly tilted on an angle of 23.45 degrees. Earth's tilted axis causes the seasons. As well as spinning around its axis, Earth is also slowly orbiting around the Sun. It takes 365.25 days, or 1 year 6 hours, to complete a full rotation. Which is why we have leap years every 4 years. The Earth's axis points in the same direction for the full rotation. During Earth's orbit, its 2 hemispheres, north and south, each have a turn of facing the Sun. The hemisphere that is tilted towards the Sun experiences summer. The hemisphere that is tilted away from the Sun experiences winter. So, Earth has seasons because its axis doesn't stand up straight. Okay, that is all from my end. So, what is your favorite season of the year, and what do you enjoy most about it? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space updates. See you in the next video with the topic, what happens when the Moon and Earth are aligned with the Sun.